Most seniors blame age for their back pain, but current research shows that age is almost never the real cause. In fact, multiple clinical studies reveal that older adults are unintentionally making 13 preventable mistakes that increase inflammation, overload the spine, and delay healing. Once you understand these mistakes, managing your back pain becomes far easier, and your mobility can improve faster than you think. Let's start with the first one. And this single belief alone keeps thousands of older adults stuck in pain unnecessarily. Mistake number 1. Thinking back pain equals aging. One of the most common misunderstandings is assuming back pain is simply a normal part of getting older. But science shows that age alone is not the reason most seniors feel pain. In a major imaging review, researchers found that disc degeneration appears in high percentages of people with absolutely no pain, including 37% of 20-year-olds and up to 96% of 80-year-olds. These changes are more like wrinkles than injuries. They show up naturally with age, but they don't automatically cause pain. So if your back hurts, it's not because you're old. It's because certain habits, postures, and muscle imbalances are putting pressure on the wrong structures. Mistake number 2. Resting too much. When pain flares up, the instinct is to stop moving, lie down, and rest as much as possible. But modern research shows this actually slows recovery. A famous study published in the New England Journal of Medicine compared patients who rested, patients who moved normally, and patients who exercised. The group that rested recovered the slowest. Prolonged rest weakens stabilizing muscles, reduces blood flow, and increases nerve sensitivity. Your back heals through controlled movement, not by shutting down. Mistake number 3. Ignoring core weakness. Many seniors assume their spine is the issue, when in reality, the deep core stabilizers are often the real problem. Muscles like the multifidus and transverse abdominis act as your spine's natural support system. After age 50, these muscles weaken unless they're specifically trained, which forces the spine to absorb stress alone. A clinical trial comparing routine physical therapy with targeted core stabilization found core training reduced pain by 3.08 points. General exercise reduced pain by 1.71 points. So strengthening the right deep muscles nearly doubled the pain relief. Mistake number 4. Sitting in comfortable sofas. Soft sofas and recliners feel great at first, but they quietly place your spine in one of the worst positions possible. They tilt the pelvis backward, flatten the lower back, shut off stabilizing muscles, and shift pressure onto the discs and ligaments. This is why many seniors feel stiff or locked up when standing after sitting in a soft couch. If you're dealing with back pain and want a personalized plan designed specifically for your spine, you'll see our contact information on the screen. Reach out anytime, especially if you want a clearer diagnosis or guidance on the right treatment path. Mistake number 5. Stretching the wrong muscles. When seniors feel tightness, they often stretch their lower back. But the lower back is built for stability, not flexibility. The real tightness usually comes from the hips, glutes, and hamstrings. When these muscles stiffen, they pull the pelvis into poor alignment, and the lower back compensates. That compensation is what causes the pulling and pinching sensations. Stretching the hips and legs creates far more relief than stretching the spine itself. Mistake number 6. Not walking enough. Walking is one of the most underrated tools for reducing back pain. A 2025 JAMA Network open study of over 11,000 adults found walking 101 to 124 minutes per day lowered chronic back pain risk by 23%. Even 78 to 100 minutes per day lowered risk significantly. Walking hydrates the discs, activates stabilizers, improves circulation, and reduces stiffness. Mistake number 7. Believing pain always means damage. Many seniors fear that pain means something is being damaged, but chronic pain often comes from how the nervous system interprets signals. So bending or twisting may feel sharp, not because harm is happening, but because the nerves are oversensitive. Mistake number 8. Fear of movement. Avoiding movement feels safe, but it actually increases pain over time. When the body stops moving, muscles weaken, joints stiffen, and nerves become more sensitive. Gentle, consistent movement teaches the nervous system that motion is safe again, reducing pain and restoring confidence. Mistake number 9. Lifting incorrectly, or not lifting at all. Some seniors lift with poor mechanics, and others avoid lifting altogether. Both create problems. Poor lifting technique overloads the spine. Avoiding lifting causes muscle loss. Learning to hinge at the hips, engage the core, and use the legs protects the spine and keeps you functional. Mistake number 10. underestimating the impact of weight. Even small changes in body weight can add measurable stress to the spine. More weight means more compression and inflammation. You don't need dramatic weight loss. Even 5 to 10 pounds can significantly reduce pressure. Mistake number 11, relying on painkillers alone. Medication can help temporarily, but it doesn't fix the root cause. Painkillers mask symptoms. They don't correct mechanics, posture, muscle imbalance, or nerve sensitivity. Long-term relief comes from restoring proper movement patterns, not numbing the pain. Mistake number 12, self-diagnosing with Google. Many seniors try random stretches or exercises they see online, often the wrong ones. Two people can have the same MRI but completely different sources of pain. Without an evaluation, it's easy to treat the wrong thing. A proper assessment always leads to faster, safer results. Mistake number 13, waiting too long to get help. Back pain becomes harder to treat the longer it's ignored. Muscles weaken, joints stiffen, and nerves become more sensitive over time. Early intervention prevents these changes and speeds recovery dramatically. The master mistake, trying random treatments without a plan. Most seniors try to fix back pain by guessing. A stretch here, a heat pack there, a YouTube exercise, a few days of rest. But back pain follows predictable patterns. Once the correct pattern is identified, treatment becomes clear and reliable. A structured, evidence-based plan turns recovery from guesswork into something predictable. If you want clarity before starting any treatment, we also offer a free second opinion. You'll see our contact details on the screen. And if you'd like to speak with us directly, just call the number shown. And if you prefer to learn more first, you can visit our website. The link is also on screen. Whatever you choose, we're here to help you understand what's causing your pain and what the safest next step is for your spine.